Delicious, easy, fast, and impressive, these polka dot cake bars take minutes to make and are best when you want a quick, last-minute homemade dessert but are in a hurry. To start off, we'll make simple batter. In a large mixing bowl, we will combine 1 large egg, 100 grams of sour cream, 150 grams of condensed sweetened milk, and whisk until it turns into fluffy pale yellow mixture. Then we will take a quarter of a cup or 25 grams of cocoa powder and 70 grams of all-purpose flour through the sieve and give it another good whisk until batter is smooth and has this kind of consistency. It shall slowly but freely run down from the whisk. Add half of a teaspoon of baking soda and half of a teaspoon of red or white wine vinegar and incorporate into the batter. And voila, the batter is ready. Pour it into a 9 by 12 inches shallow baking tray lined with parchment paper and greased with vegetable oil, and spread the batter as evenly as you can. I'm working with a silicone spatula to fill the corners and make sure batter is spread all over the entire tray. Then I'll tap the tray a few times on the table to let any potential air pockets go away and send to the oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. During this time, we will make the icing. In a mixing bowl, we will beat 150 grams of mascarpone with 25 grams of icing sugar until well combined. Then we will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. You can sub it with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then add 1/3 of a cup or 80 grams of heavy cream. We will beat everything again with an electric mixer to have light and fluffy icing for our polka dot cake bars. When the cake is baked, we'll run a quick wooden stick test to make sure the cake is ready and let it completely cool. To make cooling faster, we'll take the cake out of the tray and place it on the cooling rack. Now, time to decorate. We'll cover the cake with a thin layer of the icing and with a small, narrow spatula, make a simple pattern on the surface like so. And the last step, sprinkle the icing with puffed quinoa coated with dark chocolate. Here is how it looks when cut. I found these tiny little dots in a bulk food store here in Metro Vancouver, and it is now one of my favorite ways to decorate cakes, smoothies, and frozen desserts. If you can't find it in your area, just swap it with dark chocolate sprinkles, crushed chocolate bar, or chocolate chips. And finally, cut the cake into square bars and enjoy with a cup of coffee or tea. I hope you've liked this simple recipe. If you're looking for other simple but delicious and impressive desserts, check out our Baked Delights in 2-3 bites and desserts playlists. Thanks for watching and stay well, folks.